If you're very hungry and you only have a few ingredients, this recipe is just for you. Today we are making spaghetti aglio e peperoncino. As it says in the name, all we need is spaghetti aglio, which is garlic, and peperoncino, which is like a very hot pepper. So this is going to be a spicy dish, which we don't really do that much actually.
And we also need the oil. Aglio, olio e peperoncino.
Yeah.
Olive oil. Okay, so we start from the water. What else do you do, Jonathan?
Okay, so you know, while the water is boiling, I'm going to chop my garlic, and we have a hot pepper here.
So that's my dinner for tonight.
Yes.
I guess. You are cooking this dish just for me because you love me, right?
Yes.
Cool. Isn't that fantastic, son? Let's go for it.
Okay. I'll slice this very thin.
Not too big because I don't like to...
Oh, you don't like garlic, do you?
Well, no, I mean, I like the taste. I just don't want big piece into my mouth. That's not good. So, very nice thin.
Is that...
No, a little bit more smaller, yeah, please. Okay. Thank you. And then this big boy over there, that's very hot.
Big
so
boy looks small.
I think, yeah, to be honest, I think we're only doing one dish, so one plate, so we only need half of it.
Just half?
Yeah, I think so. Then if it's, I think that's hot enough.
So?
No. That's all you need to do is to slice.
Which one do you want? Bigger or smaller?
No, get the smaller one. Yes, I know.
Okay. Okay, so for this...
Oh, you can smell it from here actually. It's very hot.
Again...
And wash your hands after, yeah.
I mean... so... in a...
Just slice, yeah, light. Not too thick.
Salt. No, spaghetti. Okay, that didn't work. This is around 100 grams of spaghetti just for my dad. Because I'm gonna try it of course, but you're gonna eat it.
Okay.
Okay, so while the pasta's cooking, let's do the condiments. So here we have our garlic, and then we have our peperoncino.
And some beautiful extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. Shake it a little bit, and then...
Why do we do that?
Well, you don't want the garlic to burn really, because this is the type that you don't want the garlic
because you touch the pans it becomes. So that's a good idea, yeah. I like that.
Yeah.
So they float in the oil instead of touch the pans. Yeah, because this one doesn't need to burn.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice idea. Learning a lot from you, Mr. Chef.
Okay, so the spaghetti is ready. You turn the fire off for the oil, and then you...
That's the water that's making all the sizzling, is not the spaghetti. Actually, we do need a little bit of water, I believe, because it gives a little bit of water. Yeah, a little bit of water, and then shake the whatever you call it, stick it. Yeah.
You make like a sauce out of this.
Use the red thing. It's a good idea to use that. That's my plate for tonight. Yeah, just
I hope you enjoy this. Do you think it's gonna be spicy?
Don't know.
Too spicy for you, probably.
I'll tell you when I try, and if my face gets red, then you know it's too spicy.
Well, I might try, and probably...
I'll let you try, actually.
Yeah, I'll probably try.
And then you tell me, see? I'm a nice dad, isn't it? I'll let you try, and then if it's spicy,
definitely.
first you and then me.
Yeah. Okay. So here we have our plate of spaghetti. We have the garlic, the peperoncino. I hope you like this.
Actually, if you want to try, I suggest to have... Well, I mean, you can try with the peperoncino, but the peperoncino already gave enough taste. So, try a little bit.
Let's try.
Just a little bit. Let's see how it is.
Okay.
That's half dish of the pasta already gone. How is it?
It's not... Okay. So, oh yeah, obviously it's gonna be spicy, but it's not spicy. It's not spicy like that makes your eyes water. It's only in the tongue, so I mean you probably tolerate it. I think it's good. You wanna try?
I will try soon.
Definitely. I think
So
I'll get
not
another-
too oily, not too spicy, and not too garlicky. Is
Yeah.
garlic
It's a word now, I guess.
a word?
I
It's a
don't think
word
it is.
now.
I don't think it is, but-
Garlicky. Can you say spaghetti is too garlicky? Okay, I think you're enjoying this too much. I think we should stop here and let me have
good.
dinner.
Peperoncino?
Are you serious?
No, I'm not. That's spicy.
That's spicy. Alright, and on that note,
Alla prossima.
see you the next time.
Ciao.
Ciao.